Hello sir, my name is Gaurav Kumar and this is my team. He is Manish, he is Satyam and he is Anand. This is our project. Our project name is Futuristic Sustainable Town. This project manages the waste properly and makes the city green.
The waste that comes from these towns will be loaded in trucks and will go to this segregation factory, and the waste will be unloaded in this input post. The waste will be segregated to wet and dry waste, and then the two of trucks that will one will get the dry waste and one will get the wet waste, and the wet waste will be shifted to the biogas factory and the dry waste will be shifted to the crusher factory.
Now, this is the biogas factory in which the waste from the waste separation factory goes and will be collected in a biogas tank where the wet waste will be settled down, which will be more converted into biogas by taking it into the sunlight, and then the biogas that is stored in the bottle will be transferred to these houses where it will use it for cooking and other purposes, and the settled down obstacles will then go into the natural farming where it will used as compost or fertilizers.
After the dry waste is loaded in the segregation factory truck, the truck will go into the crusher machine. The electronic waste will be shifted in different posters. The machine will crush all the dry waste and which is going to use to make roads and bricks. Thank you.